Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is another special day and we're back here in South Las Vegas and we're gonna feature another KB Homes, and this is a good price for the square footage, so I am super excited. Before we proceed, let's do three things. One, let's subscribe on this channel, let's like this video and share this video to the people you might know might be interested on this kind of home. I am super excited, guys. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Alright guys, this is the home. 2,924 square feet. And this is your two-car garage. Let me go on this side so we can see the side of this home. Right, so this is the KB Homes model home here in South Las Vegas. Really nice paver here, guys. Okay, let's do this. Let's enter this beautiful home. Love the plants there. Okay, so the entrance is on this side. Okay. Oh wow, this is a very bright home. I'm seeing a really nice open area there, and then there's a window here, but I am seeing one of my favorites, guys, a first floor bedroom. Let's do this. Let's check this out. Wow, love this. You know, this is very ideal to have a first floor bedroom. Even though you have 2 stories, but if you have this first floor bedroom, this is very nice because you can have your guests stay here, or if you have parents or in-laws that cannot afford to go up the second floor, then this is ideal for them. Right, so this is a very, very ideal situation here. Okay, so that's nice. And this is the full bathroom here. Hello guys. Right, really nice quartz. Very bright. Love it. You can definitely upgrade that to a wall tiling if you want. Okay. There's something here. This is the garage, but usually they close it so we cannot open that. Are you ready, guys? Let's do this. Let's go to your main area. Love their art here. Look at your main living area, guys. Very open. This is a different layout here because your what do you call this? Your sofa is on that side, and then your TV is here, and then your dining is there. Okay. Let's check out first this living room area here. right? Very, very tucked into the sideways. So you're making a lot of space on this area because your sofa is all the way to the side. But this is a nice sofa here. So I am here at the corner here. So this is how it looks like when you're at your sofa. You can watch your TV there. And then lots of windows. This makes the room even larger. Hello guys. Okay, so I am at your dining here. Right, very open, very bright. Kitchen is also bright. Let's check it out. Okay, this looks like a granite to me. It's not a quartz. And then 42 inches cabinetry. You have your island there. What I would just suggest is put a waterfall edge, double waterfall edge on this side, on each side, and this will make it really modern. So you have your stove and microwave. I would have hoped there is a vent, but there is no vent. This is how it looks like, guys, when you're at the very corner of your kitchen. And this is how it looks like when you're at the very center of your island. Okay guys, so at this point I have lost my sound, so I'm just doing a voiceover right now. I went to this area. This is the, yes, it's a coat closet. And then I was looking for the pantry here. I think this is the pantry. Yes, it is. It's not too big, but at the same time, it's enough space to put your grocery there. And then I am going up here, so we will be able to check out the second floor. You know, I was telling here that you can upgrade this to a hardwood so that it's much better looking. Look at this, guys. There is a mini wood table here, which is really nice. You can have your kids do their homework here, and look at this. There is a loft area, which is very interesting because this is a small space, but they were able to make it happen. Right? This is a really nice area. And then there is an area here, which is another storage area where you can put your luggages or seasonal items such as your Christmas decor or Halloween costumes. This is really a nice loft area, and they used very elegant and beautiful furniture. Look at this, guys. They are telling you to visit these cities. Comment down below, which cities have you been, right? Just wanted to know. On this side, we have the laundry area. This is a very spacious one. And we're going to enter now the first secondary bedroom. They have this wall design here, which is the constellation, somehow a universe type of wall design. And then you have these planets here. Comment down below, what do you think of this bedroom? This bedroom is pretty spacious when I was walking here. And this, I've shown a little bit of the neighborhood here. And then this is your closet area. Good thing it's kind of like a walk-in closet. Okay, so this is your first secondary bedroom, pretty good. And there is another secondary bedroom, which is dedicated for your daughter because they've stages with pink color. That's your closet there. Then we're going to check out the full bathroom that is being shared by the two secondary bedrooms. And they've used this really nice quartz, very bright. That one, the shower area is pretty standard, but you can definitely make that interesting by upgrading into very nice wall tiles. So those are the two bedrooms, and then we're gonna check out your primary bedroom. But before that, I opened this, and this is another linen closet. You know, they've maximized a lot of this space by including some storage spaces or linen closet. Welcome to your primary bedroom. This is a very large bedroom. And they've used really nice furniture as well. And we're going into your closet area. This is really not a big closet area. Yeah, this is a pretty small closet area. We're gonna check out your primary owner's bathroom. And that is your shower. They've included a really nice wall tile there. Yeah, it's pretty thick and bright here, and they've included that seating arrangement there, which is really nice as well. You know what what I would have hoped is that they've included a rain shower there so that it's easier for tall people to take their shower. And this is your toilet area. And then there's a door here. I opened it and it's the another linen closet, but definitely you can store your clothes there because the other closet that we saw a while ago is pretty small. So that is an area where you can put more of your clothes. Again, this is your primary bedroom. Really spacious. And this loft area here is conveniently located so it separates the primary bedroom from your secondary bedroom. That's very ideal configuration there. Okay, so now we're going down, and this is how it feels when you're going down the stairs. First thing you would see is your beautiful kitchen. This is a very bright kitchen here. And we're gonna take a look at your backyard. You know, this backyard here is not too big. I'm definitely sure it's hard to put a swimming pool here, but at the same time, if you're not looking for a big backyard, this is ideal for you. But definitely you can upgrade this to a much larger lot. Based on the information I got, it's about $16,000, $16,000 to upgrade this lot to a swimming pool lot. But this kind of lot is only a $2,000 upgrade, so it's not too expensive. This is how it looks like when you're at the back of your house. Alright guys, I am entering back the main living area. Please do not forget to comment down below what you think of this home. It's pretty spacious and it's very bright in here. And the layout makes sense. You can see everyone here and you can talk to anyone here. Pretty spacious, very open. The flow is just very cozy. Thank you so much guys for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions related to this home, please do not hesitate to write them down in the comment section below, and I would love to hear your feedback guys related to this home. Really nice to hear from you guys, any comments that you might have on this home. Don't forget to like this video and also share this video so that this channel will grow and we will grow together. Thank you so much guys for all of your support. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there that you might have missed. So please check my channel page. Until next time guys, I wish you an amazing day.